Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Oral-B Pro 1000 heads is probably one of the most important yet overlooked aspects of maintaining optimal oral hygiene. We tend to focus on the toothbrush itself, but neglecting timely replacement of the brush head significantly reduces its effectiveness. In this video, we will deep dive into why replacing your Oral-B Pro 1000 brush heads regularly is crucial for achieving a truly clean and healthy smile, exploring the signs that indicate it's time for a change, and helping you choose the best replacement heads for your needs. Number 5. Aster Oral-B Brush Heads. It's gentle on your gums but tough on plaque. The ergonomically designed bristles make for a more effective and comfortable brushing experience. These replacement heads are compatible with most Oral-B electric toothbrushes. It's a perfect fit for your daily oral care routine. Changing them is a snap. Just click off the old head and click on the new one. It's quick and easy. This 16-pack provides plenty of replacements. The color-coded rings make it easy to identify each brush head for the whole family. Remember to replace your brush head every 3 months. The blue indicator bristles will let you know when it's time for a fresh one. What we like? It's a great value with 16 heads and color-coded rings for family sharing. The simple click-and-go design makes replacement a breeze. If you have a large family or are looking for an affordable option, this is perfect for you. What people say. Perfect fit. 5. The first thing that impressed me about these replacement toothbrush heads is their perfect fit on my brush. They seamlessly attach, ensuring a secure and stable connection during every use. The cleaning performance is top-notch. They give that polished, dentist-clean feeling, and the DuPont bristles manage to be firm enough to remove plaque, yet gentle enough on the gums. No soreness, even with daily use. Easy to attach to toothbrush, durable and long-lasting. Easy to clean. You get a lot in the packet, which is good value. Medium bristles. They're toothbrush heads. They clean my teeth and didn't fall apart in my mouth. What more do you need? Number 4. Oral-B replacement heads. Upgrade your Oral-B electric toothbrush with these compatible replacement heads. They're designed for a superior clean and healthier gums. These replacement heads work with many popular Oral-B electric toothbrush models, including the 7000, Pro 1000, and Genius series. Check compatibility before purchasing. The cross-bristle design removes up to 5 times more plaque along the gum line than a manual toothbrush. Experience a noticeably cleaner feeling. This brush head features floss-like bristles that reach deep between teeth. Get a thorough clean for healthier gums. The precision brush head is perfect for a tooth-by-tooth clean. Its soft bristles are gentle yet effective, ideal for beginners. These gentle brush heads are perfect for sensitive teeth and gums. They provide a thorough clean without irritation, suitable for children over 5. What we like? This one boasts superior cleaning power, removing up to 5x more plaque. It also offers a floss-like clean for healthier gums. If you prioritize thorough cleaning and gum health, this is the choice for you. What people say. Cross heads, 5 stars. It has angled bristles and staggered lengths. The toothbrush really feels different. I can feel that the toothbrush has an abundance of bristles and it's easy to get my toothbrush clean. It doesn't require me to specialize in the corners. Good cleaning performance. At first I was worried that might not work well, but it eventually put my fears to rest. No matter which style of brush head, there are no cases where I can't get a clean brush and I can have smooth teeth every day. These toothbrushes have denser bristles. They clean much better than toothbrushes with bristles that are on the small side. Basically, each toothbrush has long and short bristles that make it easier to clean every concave surface. The crevices of my teeth and gum line feel very clean. Number 3. Alayna Oral-B replacement heads. Upgrade your Oral-B electric toothbrush with these compatible replacement heads. Experience a professional clean every day, designed for superior cleaning power. These replacement heads are inspired by professional dental tools. They're designed to give you a thorough and effective clean. Soft bristles protect your teeth from harsh brushing. Enjoy a comfortable clean with each use. The unique bristle design sweeps away plaque and polishes tooth surfaces. It even reaches those hard-to-clean areas. They work with most Oral-B rechargeable handles, making replacement simple and easy. Check the description for a full list of compatible models. Get the superior clean you deserve with Alayna replacement brush heads. They're the perfect complement to your Oral-B electric toothbrush. What we like? It's designed with soft bristles for a gentle yet effective clean, inspired by professional dental tools. It's compatible with most Oral-B handles. If you have sensitive teeth or gums, or want a professional quality clean, this is a great option. What people say. Compatible with our Oral-B toothbrushes. Great replacement head option that is much more affordable than name brand. The bristles are a little bit firmer than the other ones, but I think this might help the brushes last longer as the others went flimsy soft a bit too fast for my liking, and several failed completely before I was done with them. So far these are great. These replacement heads are not as good as the original OEM heads, but they are overall quite good considering their value and how much cheaper they are than the OEM heads. They don't last as long as the OEM heads and took some getting used to, but I have been using them every day for the past 5 years and I am quite happy with them overall. Number 2. Aoxgao Oral-B replacement heads. It features soft and flexible DuPont bristles. These are durable, won't fall out easily, and ensure a superior clean. The uniquely angled bristles reach deep between your teeth. They're designed for optimal tooth coverage and a thorough clean. These heads have side-to-side bristles to sweep away stains. The power tip reaches hard-to-reach areas for a complete clean. A special polishing cup helps remove surface stains. It helps you achieve a naturally whiter smile. The gentle bristles thoroughly clean even sensitive areas. They provide a gentle yet effective clean, perfect for sensitive gums. The pack includes 4 of each type of brush head. Color-coded rings make it easy to identify your own head, even when sharing. It has a simple click-and-go design. Just pull off the old head and snap on the new one. It's quick and easy. What we like? This pack includes various brush heads for different needs, from whitening to sensitive gums. The high-quality bristles ensure a superior clean. If you want variety and a comfortable brushing experience, this is ideal for you. What people say. They fit my Oral-B Pro 1000 perfectly and feel just like the original ones. The bristles are soft enough to be gentle on my gums but still provide an effective deep clean that leaves my teeth feeling smooth and refreshed. The fit is flawless, snapping onto the handle securely, just like the original Oral-B heads. I've experienced zero wobbling or issues with compatibility. Number 1. Oral-B CrossAction brush heads. Upgrade your Oral-B electric toothbrush with our new CrossAction brush heads. These advanced brush heads feature antibacterial bristles to help keep your toothbrush cleaner. Experience a deeper clean with the uniquely angled bristles. They reach every corner of your mouth for optimal cleaning. The blue bristles fade to white, letting you know when it's time to replace them for optimal cleaning performance. It's a simple way to maintain the effectiveness of your toothbrush. You're getting the quality you expect from Oral-B, the world's #1 dentist-recommended toothbrush brand. Trust the experts. They fit all Oral-B electric toothbrushes except Pulsonic. Plus, they come individually wrapped for ultimate hygiene. This pack contains 4 replacement brush heads, ensuring you're always ready for a fresh, clean feeling. Each one is individually packaged for your convenience. What we like? It features antibacterial bristles to prevent bacterial growth and blue indicator bristles to signal replacement time. It's from Oral-B, a trusted brand. If you want the best quality and hygiene, choose this one. What people say. These heads fit my electric toothbrush perfectly. I like the smaller heads as I gag easily with the large ones. These are soft enough that my gums don't get sore, and they look exactly like the original ones that have lasted for months. These Oral-B CrossAction brush heads are excellent. They provide a deep and thorough clean, reaching all areas of my teeth easily. The bristles are firm but not too harsh, and they last a good amount of time before needing replacement. They fit my electric toothbrush perfectly and work just as well as the original ones. When replacing toothbrush heads, getting the official replacement is worth it. These not only last longer, but they just feel more sturdy. You will feel your teeth are cleaner after each use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.